You are going to love the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.